Hi friends, good morning. You are watching ITINIMICHANNELELECTRICIAN channel Electrician. In this video, I am going to explain part 2 of Basics of AC and Electrical Cables Multiple Choice Questions, means NIMI question bank. So, in last video, I was explained this question. Okay. Again, I am going to explain this question because earlier the answer was wrong. Okay, because see here, the question is which electrical quantity is directly proportional to the current carrying capacity of the conductor. Means the current carrying capacity of the conductor means here I. Okay, I means current carrying capacity of the conductor. Okay, we know the formula I equals to V divided by R, right? So so here there are four options are given. I equals to directly proportional to the wire resistance, or I equals to directly proportional to the passing current, or I equals to conductor's shape, or I equals to conductor's diameter. Okay, so in last video I explained that the answer was wire resistance, but it is wrong because the answer is conductor's diameter. Okay, the answer is conductor diameters because see here, we know the formula I equals to V divided by R. Okay, right, see here. And we know the formula R equals to rho into L divided by A. This is the law of resistance of the, Okay, this is the formula. So if you cross multiply, A into R equals to rho L. Okay, so in this formula, what I am doing here, I kept the A constant here. Okay, I kept the A as it is here only. I shifted this R here. Okay, I shifted this R. Means the formula becomes A equals to rho L divided by R. Okay, so 1 divided by R, right? 1 divided by R means A. Okay, 1 divided by R means A. See here, 1 divided by R means A. In this formula, okay, you put the value of 1 divided by R. V divided by R means 1 divided by R. 1 divided by R means A. So the formula becomes I equals to V into A. Understand? I equals to V into A. So the current carrying capacity of the conductor I is directly proportional to the A. What is A? The diameter of the wire. Okay, so therefore the answer is conductor's diameter. I is directly proportional to conductor's diameter. This is very important question, friends. I think this question will come in exams also because it's a very confusing question. Okay, let's go to next question. Which formula is used to find the conductance? Okay, what is conductance? The reciprocal of resistance is the conductance. Okay, so what is the formula of current? I equals to V divided by R. Okay, see here in this video, I equals to V divided by R. Okay, here 1 divided by R means conductance. Okay, reciprocal of resistance is called the conductance. Reciprocal of resistance is conductance. So the formula becomes formula I equals to V divided by R, 1 by R. Okay, 1 by R means G. Okay, conductance. So formula becomes I equals to V into G. G equals to I divided by V. Okay, option number D is the answer. Okay, you know how this formula comes? I equals to V divided by R. Okay, 1 divided by R means G. Now formula becomes I equals to VG. So G equals to I divided by V. Okay, this is very important. Next question is, which materials are used for semiconductor? Okay, we know that silicon and germanium, these two materials are used for manufacturing the semiconductors. Which metal has very good conductivity of electric current? Okay, we know that silver has the good conductivity, good conductor of the electricity. Okay, how the insulation coating stay without damage even on bending the wires? Okay, we know that due to the elastic property of the insulation, the wire is not bending, not damaging. Okay, what is the name of the motion of the charged particles in any medium? We know that the flow of electrons is called current. Okay, option A is the answer. What is the purpose of standard wire gauge? We know that the purpose of standard wire gauge is to measure the diameter of the wire. Which electrical parameters is measured by Megger? We know that the Megger is used to measure the insulation resistance. How the insulators are called? Okay, we know that the insulators are called as dielectrics. Okay, dielectrics is the answer. Which tool is used for simplest method of skinning the wires? We know that if you don't have any tools, electrician knife is the simplest tool. Which energy is converted into electrical energy in hydropower station? We know that the waterfall. Okay, if you see the hydropower station, the water falling from height to downside. Okay, from upside to downside. In downside, we connected the generator. What is the function of the generator? The function of the generator is it converts the mechanical energy into electrical energy. Therefore, answer is mechanical energy is the answer. Which tool is used to measure the size of the wire? We know that standard wire gauge. Standard wire gauge is used to measure the wire diameter. Which parameter of the wire is directly proportional to the current carrying capacity? Okay, this question again repeated. The answer is conductor's diameter. Okay, what is the effect on current flow with increased diameter of the conductor? In this question is asking that if we increase the diameter of the conductor, okay, what will happen? Okay, we know that at the time of starting, I told that the formula is I equals to V into A. A means area of cross section. Okay, if I increase the area of cross section, the current is also increases because the current is directly proportional to the diameter. Okay, therefore it allows the high current flow. If you increase the diameter, the current flow will be high. What is the relation of wire diameter with current carrying capacity of the conductor? Okay, we already told that the same formula. Okay, it directly proportional to, okay, the I is directly proportional to the area of cross section. This is very important formula. Okay friends,